So hello everyone, I welcome all of you back on my channel, which is EduInfly. Today's video is basically going to help all the people who are already a CFP, or let's say who are CFP aspirants. It can help them in making financial plans or mutual fund distributors. In this video, I'm going to talk to you about how can you create an Excel template for creating a corpus of SIP, in which you can basically have different investment returns, different SIP amount, and increasing your SIP amount every year with different top up percentage. Apart from this, we are going to understand that how we can basically run a model test, or let's say backward testing on this Excel template to calculate different kind of percentage top up automatically for a given desired corpus, investment return, and let's say SIP to begin with. So it's going to be very interesting, student. It can really helpful, and for the financial planners, you can have this Excel template on your desktops or laptops to serve your client better. So let's start. So student, first we'll understand that how to create a template on Excel, right? For calculating a corpus with different SIP amount, and that SIP amount is increasing with a certain rate every year, and the investment rates also differs, right? After creating this template, we'll run a test on different parameters, like if I keep these two things constant, what should be changed in SIP amount to reach a particular goal? If I these two things constant, SIP amount and increase in SIP percentage every year, what should be rate of return to achieve the goal, right? So I'll basically run test on these three different things to achieve different goals, keeping two things constant. I'm creating this template for 10 years. So I'm taking some random figures. SIP amount 10,000 rupees, increase in SIP 5%, rate of return is 10%, and the corpus I'll create. So in the first year, the first 12 month, SIP amount will be 10,000 rupees because I'm beginning with this SIP amount. What will be the SIP amount in next year? How to calculate that? This will be the previous year multiply by 1 plus rate. So 1 plus rate basically will give me a figure, the next year SIP, 1 plus rate, right? It will basically create a future value of 10,000 rupees with this given rate. Now I want to freeze this cell because every time when I'll change there, the figure will automatically get changed. So simplest method is function F4. Now you can see that this cell is freeze, and now if you're not able to do this on Excel, you can put forward and backward dollar on the alphabet of cell, right? Now just drag it. So now you can see some figures. These are basically every figure is increasing with the 5%, right? Previous into 1 plus 5%, and then it's increasing. So now I'll basically calculate the corpus at the end of first year, right? The formula will be future value. Then now I have an annual return, and I'm basically investing monthly. Please, understand this is a thumb rule. In whatever frequency you invest or withdraw, the same frequency of interest you must have in the formula. If you want to convert 10% rate, which is annual, in per month rate, you cannot do 10% divided by 12. So formula will be 1 plus rate. Again, you need to freeze this rate because you'll change it. Freeze power 1 by 12. I am taking 12 here because I'm converting in months, and in a year, the money will compound 12 times. If I would have converted it in quarter, there will be 4 at the place of 12, right? Minus 1, comma. At how many times I'll be paying this 10,000 rupees? For 12 times. Minus, this will be my PMT, comma 0, comma 1. 1 because I'm putting this money in beginning of the month. So this is the valuation of 10,000 rupees paying 12 times with the rate of 10%, 1,26,405 after 1 year. Now just drag it for the next year, and at the place of PV, which was 0, take this amount, because this is first year end corpus, which will again be invested, for the rest of the year. So you have to do like this, and then you can drag it down till 10th year. Now you can see that this is basically the figure, which is basically the final amount or a corpus after 10 years with this given percentage of increment and SIP amount and return. And this is your corpus. You can select like this. So basically, this is a basic template which you can design for 10 year, 20 year, 30 year. And now you can change anywhere, and you will see that automatically your result will change at below, right? Now we'll, and you can change anything. You can change increase in SIP, you can change rate of return, you can change SIP amount, and automatically your this amount will get changed. I'm already with an amount of 24,39,238 rupees. Now I want this amount to be 50 lakh rupees, but I don't want to have a change in SIP amount to begin with, which is 10,000 rupees, and rate of return is also 10%. But I want to know that if I want to achieve 50 lakh rupees, keeping these two things constant, what should be this percentage of top up every year so I reach to my goal of 50 lakh rupees? This is my question, how to do it. Go to data, then what if analysis, then goal seek. Very simple. What value you want at F17? Earlier it is 24 lakh 39,000. Now you want here 50 lakh rupees. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What cell you want to have a change in? You want to have a change in this cell, which is percentage top up every year. Okay. Automatically your percentage top up will increase and will tell you what annual percentage top up you require to reach this goal. So how easy it is, right? Because since you've created this template, so it will automatically create the values for you. Now, I don't want to have a change in SIP amount, percentage top up. I don't want to have a change in rate, but this goal, now I want to be 75 lakh rupees and I want to know at what amount should I start with. So data, again, what if analysis and goal seek, right? To value, now I want 75 lakh rupees, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Remember, this time I am having SIP percentage top up constant, which is again 22%, and rate of return is same as 10%, but I just want to have a change in my SIP amount wherein I am starting with. So my starting SIP amount will change, and now this is basically 15,000 rupees per month to start with to achieve 75 lakhs. Now I'll take one more example, and let's say now I want 1 crore rupees, start with 15,000 rupees, increase in SIP is 22%. But since my amount is increasing, I just want to know that what should be the rate of return, which definitely be higher to achieve 1 crore rupees. What will be that? Let's understand. Data, again, what if analysis, go to goal seek. Simply to value is 1 crore. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 0 by changing cell, and that cell be your rate of return. Press OK. Automatically your SIP rate of return will be 17.33% required for achieving 1 crore rupees. So it's very simple to make templates like this to run a test on different parameters. It can definitely help you out to, let's say, make a financial plan in CFP exams and to serve your clients better, right? So I hope that this serve your purpose. Thank you very much. I'll be coming with more such videos, and I would request you, if you like my video, please subscribe my channel and like the video. Thanks a lot.